Hello, second graders. Time for math. All right. Now I know we've done this stuff before. When we're counting and we use squares and sticks and circles, right? Squares, sticks, and circles. It's like reading a cave drawings, right? We have 200s, right? 200s in the hundreds place. 1, 2. How many hundreds? I'm going to put 2 hundreds. How many tens do we have here? Also 2. And how many ones do we have here? We usually know that these dots are grouped in 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What is our total number? 226. Now, the reason why I just messed up on that is I just want to show you this. You don't have to show this on your first couple problems, but 226 is just like saying 200 plus 20 plus 6. 226. Okay, I'll prove it to you this way. Equals 226. If I draw it like this, 200 plus 20 plus 6, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 2, 2, 226. So that's why you can do that. So 226 is just like saying 200 and 2 tens is like counting 10, 20, 26. Okay, so we got that. I think we got that. This is where it might get a little more tricky, is I have this line here. I want to do the one underneath here, okay? All right, so down below, right here, how many hundreds do we have? How many hundreds do you see there? 3. 1, 2, 3 hundreds. How many tens do we have? Do you see any sticks up here? See any sticks? No. So how many tens? This many. This, 0. Okay? 3, 0 tens, but how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What is the total? 300, not 40, not 40, 304. 304. Now, please stop and watch this. Okay? If I were to change this, and I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and there were no ones, how many hundreds do we have? 3. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many ones? Are there any ones over there? No, so it's 0. What number would that be? Not 304, but 300, 10, 20, 30, 40. 340. And you would write, you could do this, 300 plus 40 plus 0, or 300 plus 40 is just 340. So don't get 304 and 340 mixed up. Would you rather have 304 pieces of candy or 340 pieces of candy? I would rather have 340 because that's more, right? All right. So if I give you a number, and I ask you to draw the boxes, you can do that, right? Do a quick erase. I'll erase as fast as I can. It's going to be kind of messy. Okay, number 4 on your page. Number 4 says 740, and it tells you to draw boxes, sticks, and circles. So how would I draw 740? How many squares would I draw? How many squares would I draw? 7, right? 740. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 740. So how do I do 40? Do I do circles or do I do sticks for 40? 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 sticks. That's 740. So on number 7, when you move all the way down to number 7, when we get this one down here, number 7, 502. Do not do 520. I would like 502. What's the difference between 520? Here's what 520 looks like. Here's what 502 looks like. See the difference? 520 is 520, because remember, hundreds, tens, ones. And 502, hundreds, tens, ones. 0 tens, 2 ones. That's the difference. Would you rather have 102 pieces of candy, or would you rather have 120 pieces of candy? 120. Caleb, I know you're saying 102 because you always do that to be funny. I know it. I've had you in here for 6 months. I know your old jokes, just like you know my old jokes, right? Mr. Frank has lots of old bad jokes. Okay, next page. This is the expanded form. Expanded form, okay? So we want to write, like this one, number 8 says 382. It's the same as saying 300 plus 80 plus 2. So 738 would be 700 plus 30 plus 8. Okay, we got that? I think we can do that. Pretty straightforward. And that goes to say that when we get down here, 100 plus 70 plus 5, 100 plus 70 plus 5, 175. Okay. Now when we get down to 16, they're just in a little bit different order. Okay. Number 16, 5 plus 900 plus 40. They're just switched around, that's all, right? It's just like saying 6 plus 30 plus 500. It's not 635. No. How many hundreds? We have 500. How many tens? 3 tens, so 36. Okay? They're just switched around in different order, and you need to put them in the right order. I think you can do that. We're all smart second graders. We can figure this out. And down at the bottom, it gets a little more tricky. Number 24, 462. I'm going to do this one on the board with you. So please be paying attention. Please don't be working ahead. All right. So this is number 24. This is how you do these, so you better be paying attention. Number 24 looks like this. It says 462 equals 2 plus 400 plus something. Now wait a minute. 462. Here's our number. Well, we have the 400. We have the 2. What are we missing? The 6. So do I just write 6 over here? No. It's 60. 400 plus 60 plus 2. They're just in different order. But you have to remember the ones, tens, and hundreds place. 462. And that's how you do 24, 25, 26, and 27. All kind of the same way. If you need some help, ask Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad can help you with this one, if you need it. Or pause me and just think about it. Use your thinker. Don't try to rush through it. Use your thinker, okay? Think about it. Because sometimes we try to hurry through and then we make mistakes or we do it wrong. So you really need to think about it. That's a lesson you learn in 2nd grade, is sometimes you just need to slow down and think about it. I'm balancing. Balancing, is that a noun or a verb? Balancing is an action, so that would be a verb. All right, that's it for math. Stay safe. Okay, if you ride your bike, wear a helmet. Remember to wash your hands. 20 seconds with soap. Okay, next we'll do a little bit of a read aloud, and we're doing it on the human body. So we're starting something new. We finished the Civil War, so we'll start on the human body. Bye, everyone. See ya for our read aloud.